Hello everyone, my name is DIXIT and this is my channel Pentest Diaries. So today I'll just have to give it a complete final video description for a Rubik's Cube 5x5, and this is part 3, and in this video I try to get it covered the final section, how to get it solved completely, the final stage of it. So we already cover a part 1 and part 2. In part 1 I try to get it cover the complete center point to how to get it solve the centers of the Rubik's Cube 5x5 and how to solve the edges. In part 2 I try to get it cover, and in part 3 it's a final stage. It's look like similar of 3x3. If you have already seen the video of 3x3, it's very easy for you to understand how to get it solved. So let's begin with it. So now in the final stage, I have already created part 1 and part 2. In part 1 I have solved like how to get it solve this center point. In part 2 I'll show you that how to get it solve the edges of it. Now once you're done with all those parts, now is the final stage where we have to solve the final complete cube. Okay, so now it's almost, if you have solved the 3x3, it looks like a same one only, nothing a different one. Okay, so I'll just take it white as a center point. I'll just consider this as a 1. Okay, and now I'll just have to rotate everything the similar which I have shown in my 3x3 tutorials. You have to do the same thing again and again. Okay, what I have to do, I just have to look for I just have to look for a blue one. You can see blue and blue. Then what I have to do, I just have to rotate it, then that's it. So 2 is already solved. Now we have to go for the third one. Now this is a orange one, orange and orange match. I just have to turn it this and now this. So I can see like I have created complete one. Now we have to go for the edges point for it. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll just have to look for matching blue with blue. Okay, blue match, turn, rotate down, make it up. Okay, this one is completed. I'll have to go for the next one. It's blue match, turn it down, make it up, done. Now we have to look for another one. It's red match, done. It's a straightforward 3x3. If you want to see like how it is happening, you can see my 3x3 video and you can able to understand what I'm doing it. So it's an exact 3x3 only. I'm just considering the center one, all 9 points as 1, so that I'm just solving it. So you can see the first layer is already completed. Now these 3 we just consider as a 1 layer. Okay, so what I have to do, I simply have to see where exactly I have to match it. So I'll just have to turn it to orange, and I can see I just have to make it as a right side, turn it down, up, down, rotate. So I can see this one is completed, this one is completed. I just have to make it, this one is also completed. So blue and blue, I just have to match it, turn it once, down, rotate, and you can see this one is also completed. Now we have to go for the last one, looks like a last. So we just have to turn it once, down, up, and you can see this one is also completed. So first layer is completed. We just consider this as layer 2. Now it's a final stage. Okay, we just make it like this, turn, rotate, done. So I just have to see like all these one is matching or not. It's already matching, so no need of formula 2 we have to run it. So now we have to look for to make it, this one is appropriate. The reason is that like whatever the color you're seeing over here, it should be get it over here, then only we can proceed further. Otherwise whenever we go for the final stage, we are not able to see the actual cube will be get it completed. So that was the reason. So firstly we have to look for any edge one which having all the color reflecting with that. So I can see there is not even a single one which having all the colors. Okay, so we'll just have to run for one of the formula just to make that appropriate first. Let me read once again. Okay, now we can see green one is over here, yellow is on the top, red one is over here. So this one I can take as a reference first. Okay, rest everything is still be not in on an appropriate position. So what we have to do, we just take it this on the right side and make that formula once again. So still I think it's not done. No, we just have to run it once again. Okay, perfect. So now it's done. Done with that, 2 section is already completed. We have only 2 1 is left, for which we have to make it our formula to make that yellow to be on the top. So that was the only thing. Now this is the final stage. So what we have to do, you have to run your final formula, which I have already explained in cube 3 cross 3. So you just have to take that as a reference point, and I am using that formula directly over here. So what we have to do, we have to turn it down, rotate, up, down. Once you're done with that, you have to make it another one down. It's automatically coming on the appropriate position, and you can see our complete Rubik's cube is solved. So 2 part you have to solve with that stuff which I have shown you, and the final is straightforward a 3 cross 3. So you can use the same technique which you have used for 3 cross 3, and we can solve this. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you like to connect with me, you can connect me on LinkedIn. The LinkedIn profile link I'll provide in the description section of this video. If you want to give some suggestion, if you feel like this technique looks like a slow technique and it may be some different type of technique you have it with you, which you can use it, and you want to suggest me or to everyone, so you can provide the link in the description section of this video or in the comment section of this video, and in that case I'll just go through it, the complete description, or I'll just go through the complete reference link from that link point of view, and then I'll try to make it a video from my side which you feel like this is not the appropriate way and it may be a better way for it. So thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.